Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Christian. Today I'm going to show you what's happening on the Bitcoin price, because as you can clearly see right now Bitcoin is standing at $30,350. And guys, before a couple of hours we tried to surpass this $30,500, which, as you know from my previous videos, is the most important and crucial resistance for the Bitcoin price. And the time that we're going to surpass this massive resistance and we're going to close the daily candle above that, it could be a very bullish indication for the beginning of the bull run. So right now guys, the most crucial part, as I told you, is to close the daily candle above this yellow line, and we're gonna close today the Saturday candle at 36 minutes, and obviously it seems that we're gonna close under this massive $30,500 area. But on this video guys, I'm gonna tell you what is gonna probably happen in the next coming days, if we're gonna see any huge breakout on this massive area and above, and I will tell you where I give the most odds for the next move. Also, we're gonna see some more interesting things in a small time frame and some indicators. And also guys, I would like to show you these golden cross, which could be an indication of a bull run. Okay, so if you would like to know all these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue guys, I would like from you to smash 100 likes, because with this way you help me so much within this journey. And also with a very simple process of a daily like, daily comment, share with your friends, share your social media, you're actually helping me so much, and appreciate you for this help support from the bottom of my heart. A big thank you to everyone. And guys, also do not forget to check my Patreon, because here guys I'm giving you big signals. In the last 7 days the portfolio guys is super green. We have seen crazy profits, and most of the members who join, they can understand what I'm talking about, because I'm giving you guys buy signals every day, because I'm doing dollar cost average every day. And most of the times guys, I'm doing dollar cost average almost for free. Right now I have 150 altcoins, and when the altcoin season is gonna start moving, I can deploy my strategy furthermore, and I can have guys up to 300 altcoins or even more. And when the bull run, the Bitcoin is gonna peak, then all this kind of different altcoins, and most of these altcoins guys are startup companies with massive potential. When the bull run is gonna peak, I'm gonna take all this kind of profits, and this could convert my initial amount of BTC, because I hold BTC, not dollars or whatsoever. My initial amount from BTC is gonna be lots of X's more than I had previously. Okay, so in some way I multiply my bitcoins by a lot. Okay, this is the strategy that I followed in the previous bull run, and it made me super wealthy on the previous bull run. So I do that on this specific bull run that is coming. So you can join into this VIP soldier membership group, take all the benefits, and you can become wealthy. Depends of where you live and what's your budget. Of course, you can become wealthy as I did in the previous bull run. Okay guys, and the access, the benefits of that membership group is buy signals, sell signals, buy signals of, as I told you, startup companies with potential of 100x, 200x, even a 500x, and even 1000x. I have coins that's probably gonna do guys 1000x in the next bull run inside into my portfolio. Access to my portfolio, stake signals if I found a good opportunity. Telegram VIP community is coming in 10 days or less, in 2 weeks or less, somewhere there. And voice video chats where I'm explaining you things about coins. Of course, you can suggest some altcoin to analyze or whatsoever. And lastly, I analyze you guys all my strategies that I know that I will apply in the next bull run. Okay, so that's what I would like to tell you. And let's dive back to Bitcoin analysis, because you're gonna clearly see that guys here the most important and crucial resistance right now, which we are retesting it every day the last couple of days, actually the last 5 days, is this massive $30,500 area. And the time that we're gonna surpass and stay above that, as you know, and as I told you, it could be the beginning of the bull run. And here, as you notice in the daily time frame, we have this bull flag, which is forming perfectly, and as you can clearly see, this bull flag has technical price target at $37,000, is exactly at that area. So guys, obviously if we're gonna break this massive resistance, we're gonna start moving straight to this technical price target. And if you ask me, yes guys, I believe a lot that this could be possible to be accomplished, not very soon, for example 2-3 days obviously, but in a matter of weeks. I believe a lot guys. I give more odds to break to the upside rather to the downside, but as I told you the last couple of weeks, I'm waiting for confirmations, because if we won't see this massive breakout and close the daily candle above that, obviously this could be guys mean that there is a probability to see some pullback down to $28,000 or even lower than that. But the thing that gonna determine if we are bearish or bullish is the $25,200, which if we're gonna break that again, if ever we're gonna come back here and we're gonna break that, this could be very bearish. But from the other side, if we're gonna break this $30,500 with a confirmation, this could be very bullish. So right now I'm neutral to bullish, but I'm waiting for big confirmation here. Okay, this is what I believe. And if you remember guys, from all this area, I was actually I was telling you that I'm more bullish than bearish, and the reason of that, it was because this insane pump from $20,000 up to $26,000, it happened because the global economy collapsed, banks collapsed, and Bitcoin pumped and decoupled from the SP 500, and that was a specific moment for the crypto history, okay, and the global history, not only the Bitcoin history, but for the humanity, okay, because it was a historical move that Bitcoin for the first time moved independently with a large pump to the upside while everything was collapsing. And I believe this is going to be in a continuation if we're going to see further banks into a collapse in the future. So without losing more time into fundamentals, let's move guys into the 1 hour time frame, which we have here this uptrend movement. As you can clearly see in the 1 hour time frame guys, we have this uptrend movement with this massive support orange line. You can clearly see that here, if we're gonna see a breakout, this could be very bearish for the smaller time frame, and we can see a potentially some small pullback back to $29,000 at this area, which is the previous resistance, to see some pullback, and then obviously there is the potential for a bounce to the upside. I don't believe, to be honest with you, that we can see something like that. This could be hard, not impossible, but I give less probabilities to happen. I give more probabilities to see something like that, pullback and bounce, if and only if we're gonna break with a confirmation this massive orange line support. Also here you can clearly see that we had this bull flag, which we saw the broke out here. We moved to the $31,000, and then we saw some pullback. We retest the previous resistance as a support, and then we are moving into a sideways movement after a very small bounce that we saw. So right now this someone could say that has been invalid, this kind of pattern, and I could agree with that, okay, because it's not looking great as a formation. So let's move on. Keep in mind here only the this uptrend movement, okay, because the uptrend movement is forming perfectly. Then guys, we have the Dixie, which as you can know from yesterday, it's moving into a downtrend movement. Obviously the market is closed, it's gonna open on Monday again. So I believe guys that to drop under $100 is inevitably for the Dixie, and this is very bullish for the Bitcoin price. So another bullish indication, and that convinced me that there is more probabilities to see bullish action rather than bearish action. Also, MACD indicator, the most important month and the most important thing to close this monthly candle, because with this monthly candle, guys, are gonna close over $30,000, and especially if we're gonna see something like $33,000, $35,000, we can see this golden cross on the MACD. And if this is gonna happen, the last time that we saw that, it was before this massive impulsive move to the upside, because month by month, if you remember, we had here higher and higher price, and it was actually the peak of the bull run. $66,000, the highest point on this previous bull run, the time that actually we saw this massive flip, this golden cross. Subsequently, we jump after a couple months to $66,000 area. So we are waiting for confirmation of this monthly candle. And last but not least, guys, the most important thing I left that for the end is this guy's golden cross on the exponential moving average 50 and 200, which, as you know, we saw a death cross here. Okay, we saw a death cross here on that area, and I was super bearish. Sorry guys, this is on the weekly time frame, not in the daily. If I said that daily, I don't remember. But right now we saw again a golden cross. Guys, this golden cross is huge indication that we can go into a bull run, because the last time again that we saw this golden cross, the bull run had started. Okay, so on the weekly time frame, this golden cross can be an indication of a massive continuation of these huge green candles on the weekly time frame. So I'm waiting to see how we're gonna react to that. And as you understand, guys, the more odds and the more bullish are on the bullish action. Okay, so this is what I would like to tell you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have any question. Drop it down below in the comment section. Don't forget, guys, to participate on my VIP Soldier group, because seriously, you missing big opportunities, and this price is only for the first 50 people, because subsequently the price is gonna be higher. And the reason that is because the quality that I provide, guys, on this membership group, you would never ever find somewhere else. So incredible infos all together, and strategies that I had personally used, and I'm showing you live. You can follow exactly what I'm doing. You can send me messages, you can ask me whatever you want. We're gonna do webinars, we're gonna do some live streams after some time. I'm gonna provide really huge utility on that membership group, because guys, my goal is not actually to take that amount of money. My goal is to make you rich, wealthy, not rich, because rich is something else. Wealthy. I would like to make you wealthy through cryptos, and this is your opportunity. And here I'm gonna close the video. I hope you enjoy, guys, everything, and I will see ya all tomorrow with fresh updates. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.